guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Yvonne, and for today's video we're going to be making over some nightstands. Originally these nightstands were very shiny. They're black, but I want to say it's like a vinyl or something. It's not like 100% paint. It looks like it's something that they laid on there. But the point is they're scratched. Some of that paint thing, whatever is on there is like chipping off in some areas. So it's time for a little TLC. And so what I have planned, and I kind of hate myself for not doing this earlier, but I did show like a before video of how the nightstands look. They are in the guest bedroom. The guest bedroom is currently blue because that is how the previous owners have had that room, and I haven't really gotten to it yet to paint it and do a little makeover. That'll be later on, but so you'll be able to see like a few glimpses of how the room looks right now, because that's where I have those nightstands. But I didn't take a close-up video of how the nightstands looked, so you'll see how they look at the end. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. Alright, so I'm gonna start to sand down my nightstands. They're already black, but they have like a laminate over them, and it's like a very like shiny, super shiny black. And so I'm gonna sand them down and then paint over them with like a satin, almost like matte black, just to give them an overall like clean finish. And then yeah, so first off I'm gonna sand them down. I'm gonna be sanding them down with 120 grit, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so the nightstands are all sanded. They look very ugly, extremely ugly. But this is gonna help the paint like stick on better, and I already wiped them down to get rid of all that dust. And so now I'm gonna take them inside and just paint them black. And yeah, once they're all dry, and it'll be an easy DIY. But yeah, this is what they're looking like. And then the drawers, this is what they look like. Pretty much the same, ugly, dusty. Actually not so dusty because I already wiped these out, but yeah. So on to the next step. And this is the paint I'm going to be using. It's just an interior eggshell, and it is just the color black. Literally just, oh, it's upside down. It's just black, so it's just, you know, very simple, easy color. But yeah. Luna. Alright, so this is what they look like after one coat. I already love how it looks. It looks a lot more even, and it is a satin finish. No, it's actually, hold on. It's an eggshell finish, so it's not super shiny and it's not super matte either. But this is, like I said, with one coat. Obviously, you can still see some little patches. But I think with like a second coat, it would be more than enough. And I'm waiting for the drawers to dry up before I do the second coat, but yeah. Okay, so this is what the nightstand looks like after 2 coats. It is an eggshell finish, like I've said before, so it doesn't really have any shine to it. The one thing I am noticing is that it does get dusty, and like you will be able to see like the marks. But other than that, I am loving how it looks. And I did switch out the knob. Originally I had a black knob. This one I got from Home Depot for like $3, and I really love how it is. It's like a brushed like effect on it. You can see like little streaks and stuff, but I really love how it looks against the black. It just stands out. It makes it look very like minimalistic, you know, like it just, I don't know how to describe it. I just really love how it looks. But yeah, so now I'm gonna just go ahead and style it for you guys so you guys can see the finished product. Alright guys, so that was everything for the video. As you saw, I did end up painting the nightstands black. It was an eggshell finish. I know I kept saying satin for some reason, but it was eggshell, and it does look somewhat matte, but it's not like, I feel like it's not really matte, but it kind of is in a way. But I did show you guys how I would style them. I did place them in my room, and I'd style them here just because this room is already painted, and obviously if I were to style them in a blue room, I feel like it just wouldn't look good and it wouldn't do the nightstands any justice. So later on I will show you how the nightstands are styled once the guest room is all done and, you know, done and ready. And it was a very simple makeover. It wasn't anything too crazy, you know, just a little bit of paint here and there, changed out the knob, and I felt like it just made the nightstands feel brand new. I know a lot of you might be like, well, you still did them the same color. I know I wanted to do that just for based on the plans that I have for my guest room. I felt like having black nightstands would be the best. But yeah, and I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I hope it inspired you in some way to do like a little DIY, nothing too crazy, nothing too hard. Even if it's just like a fresh coat of paint on anything, it always makes it look a million times better. And sometimes you don't even have to go out and buy new furniture, just giving it a little, just painting it makes it feel brand new. But with that being said, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please hit that thumbs up button, and also please don't forget to subscribe. I would love for you to join my little YouTube familia, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!